Survey Junkie doesn't manually assign premium surveys. It matches higher-paying surveys to users based on profile data, engagement history, and advertiser demand. By the end of this, you'll know how to get more premium Survey Junkie surveys, what actually increases high-value survey access, and why most users only see low-paying options. First, understand how survey selection works. Every survey is built for a specific audience, like age range, income level, shopping habits, or product usage. Survey Junkie filters you into those groups based on your profile. If your profile is incomplete, you automatically get fewer high-value matches. That's because advertisers avoid users with missing or inconsistent data. So the first step is full profile completion. Every section matters, including household size, income range, interests, and device usage. These are what determine whether you qualify for higher-paying surveys. Next is consistency. If your answers change across surveys, the system assumes your data is unreliable. That reduces your chances of being shown better-paying opportunities. Another factor is qualification rate. When you start surveys and complete them accurately, even if you get screened out, the system learns your response quality. Over time, consistent participation can improve your matching. Device stability also plays a role. Logging in from different devices or using tools that mask your connection can reduce access because it looks like non-organic activity. Premium surveys are usually sent when advertisers need very specific user profiles. That means you can't force them to appear, but you can position your account to match more of them. One common mistake is rushing through surveys just to earn points. Low effort or inconsistent answers can actually reduce future eligibility for better surveys. Another issue is profile inflation, where people try to game their answers to qualify for more surveys. That usually backfires because mismatched data gets flagged. The most reliable way to increase premium survey access is simple. Keep your profile accurate, stay consistent, and complete surveys carefully when you do qualify. Quick summary. Premium surveys depend on profile matching, consistent answers, and trustworthy participation history. Next step is simple. Open your Survey Junkie profile. Make sure every section is fully filled out honestly, and focus on accuracy in every survey you take. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns on how survey platforms actually decide what you see.